Hello guys, welcome back. I have a Samsung Galaxy A03s and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this phone. To get started, open the content you wish to capture. For me, it'll be settings as an example. From here, simply press the power key and volume down at the same time. You get this border animation, and that's it. I just captured the screenshot. Now it gives us a couple of options: share, edit, and scrollable screenshot. I'll focus on the scrollable option. After you capture your normal screenshot, you can turn it into a long one. If the content can scroll, click on it and it will scroll down. You can do that as long as the page allows. You can tap somewhere else to make this disappear. Find your screenshot, go to your gallery application. There it is. This is the scrollable version, and if you go into albums, you'll have a screenshots album that contains exclusively screenshots. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.